Did you know that there are actually multiple levels of relaxation? There are several levels from fully alert and awake all the way down to deep sleep. Each of these levels is represented by the brainwave frequency associated with it and has its own set of characteristics. The fastest brainwaves are called the gamma waves. This is anything above 40 Hz. Although some meditation gurus claim to reach brainwave levels in excess of 100 Hz or a hypergamma, gamma waves are the fastest frequency known scientifically. Gamma waves are associated with higher processing tasks as well as cognitive functioning, insight, and are important for learning, memory, and information processing. Slightly slower is the beta waves. These are between 14 to 40 Hz. Beta brainwaves are associated with normal waking consciousness and a heightened state of alertness, logic, and critical reasoning. They are important for daily functioning. However, they can also translate into stress, anxiety, and restlessness if you remain in beta waves for too long. Alpha waves, which are 7.5 to 14 Hz. Alpha brainwaves are the bridge between conscious thinking and our unconscious mind. They are associated with deep relaxation and usually when the eyes are closed. This is usually the state you are in when daydreaming or during a light meditation. One can experience heightened imagination, visualization, memory, learning, and concentration. Next we have the theta waves. This is from 4 to 7.5 Hz. Theta brainwaves are associated with deep meditation and light sleep, including REM or REM sleep, which stands for random eye movement or the dream state. This is where your unconscious mind rules and you can experience vivid visualizations, great inspiration, profound creativity, and exceptional insight. Experiencing deep and raw emotions can also be achieved. This is also the level of deep hypnosis, as the unconscious mind is most susceptible to suggestions at this level. And finally we have the delta waves, which is from 0.5 to 4 Hz. Delta brainwaves are the slowest and are associated with deep, dreamless sleep and in extremely deep meditation where awareness is fully dissociated. Quality deep sleep is important for the body to heal. Not having enough deep sleep is quite detrimental to your health in a number of ways.